want to say we appreciate what you are doing. And you are working for a president who is not given to flattery. Anybody who is close to President Tinubu knows that he's a very critical mind. So when he says in 2 or 3 words, Wike is a good man. Simple. He is a good man. He doesn't need to say that. So, since I hold a political office, even though I'm not a politician, I will only thank the good people of Rivers State and the people of PDP for giving Naija's Wike to us, to help us fix Abuja.
Yes, sir, see how far you brought me. Yes, sir, I'm so glad you found me. Oh, I can see.
Thank you. You know, I don't belong to any club. I only belong to Better Insurance. But I listen to those who say they are Manchester United, or when you are giving out your best player, the kind of money you will pay not be small. So for PDP to give us Wike to administer FCT, because we've had people there before that even if you ask people in university who is the name of the FCT, they don't know. Today if you ask a primary school people, before you say, who is the minister, he will tell you. So, if the people of Abuja appreciate you, I don't think you need more than that. So tonight, we are celebrating a Nigerian. You can call him Ikwere man or Rivers man. Me, I am here to celebrate a Nigerian who is adding value to FCT, who is showing that there has to be rule of law and that we must respect certain environmental laws. Yes, we must recognize the rights of the people, but we must also recognize that your city, your capital is like your living room. If it looks organized, nobody will go to the bedroom to find out. If it is unorganized, people will say that house is useless. And what you are helping us to do is a very difficult job. But you are doing it well. If you are being troubled, why not? Why should you be troubled? After all, you too, you cause trouble. Who can govern without causing trouble? Who can make progress without causing trouble? When small as I am, when I was governor, I used to say, I will not only step on toes, I will chop off leprous toes. Because if you don't chop them off, they will spread. So thank you for what you are doing for Nigeria. Thank you for what you are doing in Abuja. And thank you for what you are helping us in APC to do. And personally, yeah, because PDP Rivers led you to us now, without saying we should pay transfer fee. And we may not be happy to return you, and I'm not sure we will create a toll gate to prevent that. But the last one I want to say is thank you for uniting me with my younger brother, Danobi. Danobi has been my friend, my younger friend. He tried to teach me some things. Some I copy, some I refuse. But you help us to unite. Today we are one happy family in Edo State. So thank you for bridges of for building unity, helping us to reunite and to rediscover ourselves for the good of our country. And to Rivers people, you are the capital of South region. And you must continue to start and to play that role. And I'm proud to say that I have, sir, under your leadership, the highest honor of Rivers State. What more can I ask for? So I would like to dance, but I came late, and when I get to my room, I will do my own dancing. So wait. To Chief Okocha the law. You know, when I was president of NSC, like you said, they used to invite me, but they don't invite me anymore because then I was completely apolitical. I was the unofficial opposition to any government of the day. And true to his character of courage, I wanted to hear the other view. They invited me to come and address Association of Nigeria Bar Association. And I'm not a lawyer, so I tried to trouble lawyers. Because if I don't trouble them, who else will trouble them? My business was to trouble lawyers, because when they are in court, you who are there, you'll be at the far back. And they will be the ones speaking for you or speaking against you. So, Kocha, you have paid your dues as leader of the bar. You have remained consistent. Fight you for who you are. So I want to refer you hereafter as Okocha the Law. The way they used to call Rotimi the Law. Thank you so much, the great people of Rivers State. May 2025 be the best for the people of Rivers. Thank you very much.
Now you know. Now you know. You know, you know. You know, you know. Now you know. Now you know.